Today, I'm going to show you the best settings to squeeze every ounce of FPS out of your gaming experience. Step 1. Accessing the Nvidia control panel. First, let's get into the Nvidia control panel. Right-click on your desktop and you'll find it in the context menu. Click Nvidia control panel to open the gateway to gaming glory. Step 2. Adjusting 3D settings. In the control panel, head to 3D settings and click on Manage 3D settings. Here's where the magic happens. First, go to the Global Settings tab. Set Preferred Graphics Processor to High Performance Nvidia Processor for maximum gaming power. Step 3. Power Management Mode. Now scroll down to Power Management Mode. Change it to Prefer Maximum Performance. This ensures your GPU runs at its full potential, especially during intense gaming sessions. Step 4. Adjusting Texture Filtering Quality. Next, click on Texture Filtering Quality and set it to High Performance. This optimizes the texture filtering for improved FPS without sacrificing much visual quality. It's a win-win. Step 5. Maximize pre-rendered frames. Now, let's minimize input lag. Find maximum pre-rendered frames and set it to 1. This reduces the number of frames the CPU prepares in advance, providing a more responsive gaming experience. Step 6. Adjusting vertical sync. For smoother gameplay, let's talk about VSync. Go to vertical sync and set it to off. While VSync can eliminate screen tearing, turning it off often results in higher FPS, especially in fast-paced games. And there you have it, gamers. With these Nvidia control panel settings, you're ready to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gaming tips. Until next time, may your frame rates be high and your victories even higher.